Joining us to discuss is national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Always great to have you on with both of us, Michael. Let me ask you this, because I'm getting a little, I feel like the prosecutor's just going on for too long, is using a tone that can be a little bit patronizing, using a lot of big words. I just think that he's going to be irritating the jury if he's not careful.
I'm glad you asked that. When I was watching that cross-examination, I was thinking of the two careers, right? The career of the defense attorney and the prosecutor. When you're a defense attorney, you hold your breath every time your client opens their mouth in court. But when you're the prosecutor, and this to your point, Judge Ashley, when you're the prosecutor, your career sometimes is made if you have an effective cross-examination. Every prosecutor I've ever talked to, they say they don't sleep the night before they're about to cross-examine a defendant, because it's different to cross-examine a defendant than to cross-examine, let's say, an expert or a witness. So when you cross-examine a defendant, you could make your career, but what most people don't know is you could actually ruin your career. You could ruin your career if you have an ineffective cross-examination of a defendant. Just think about it. If you're a prosecutor, you're a competitive person by nature. For you to become a prosecutor as opposed to like an associate at a transaction law firm, you're very competitive. And so if you have an ineffective cross-examination, or if you let a defendant off the hook, because what if this Morales guy did this? What, I mean, he's innocent until proven guilty, but what if he did it? The cross-examination of the prosecutor is not effective, and he lets them off the hook. That's going to be terrible. I do agree with you. He was a little bit patronizing. He was a little bit abrasive. He didn't get the answers he wanted on some of the points, but he had the possibility of having a very effective cross-examination. I still think it was good, but it could have been better.